If you're a field technician and you want to streamline your daily tasks, you'll want to know how to use the Housecall Pro app to save time, stay organized, and improve your workflow. This app is perfect for anyone in the trades, from plumbers to electricians to HVAC technicians. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it efficiently, whether you're scheduling jobs, communicating with clients, or managing invoices. Before we get into the details, you can actually try Housecall Pro for free by clicking the first link below, which also gives you some exclusive bonuses to make the most out of the software. Now, let's dive in. First, when you open the app, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. It's simple and intuitive, so even if you're new to the software, you'll be able to get started right away. From here, you can view your upcoming jobs, customer information, and notes. The real power comes from how everything is organized and how easily you can manage your day. The job scheduling feature is one of the most powerful aspects of Housecall Pro. You can quickly see your available time slots and schedule jobs with a couple of taps. Once a job is scheduled, it appears on your calendar, and you'll receive notifications to remind you about upcoming appointments. This helps you stay on top of your work without needing to flip through papers or try to remember everything. Now, let's talk about customer management. The app stores all your customer info in one place, including contact details, service history, and notes from previous jobs. This means you'll never have to scramble for information or waste time digging through paperwork. You'll be able to pull up any customer's history instantly, so you're always prepared when you arrive at their door. Another fantastic feature is the ability to take payments directly through the app. You can send invoices right after the job is completed, and customers can pay online or via credit card quickly and easily. You don't have to worry about follow-ups or waiting for checks. Housecall Pro keeps everything seamless, which allows you to focus on doing your job, not chasing down payments. Plus, you can use the app for communication. You can send text messages to your customers, keeping them updated on job status, arrival times, or any changes. No more playing phone tag or sending confusing emails. Everything you need is right there in the app. As a field technician, you're constantly on the go, so having the Housecall Pro app on your phone is like having your entire office in your pocket. You can even add photos and notes to jobs for future reference and track your time, so you're always getting paid for every minute you work. I know that's a lot of features to take in, but here's the best part. You can try Housecall Pro completely free by using the link below. You'll not only get access to this powerful app, but you'll also unlock some exclusive bonuses to get the most out of your trial. Trust me, this tool will completely transform how you run your business on a daily basis. By the way, make sure to stick around because I'll be mentioning an exclusive extended free trial at the end of this video. To wrap it up, if you're a field technician and you want to make your workday easier, Housecall Pro is the app you need. It'll save you time, reduce administrative headaches, and make managing customers and jobs a breeze. Don't forget to check out the link below to get your free trial with exclusive bonuses.